Lesson 16. In this lesson we'll learn about key signatures and repeats. First of all, we're going to learn about the key of F major. Sometimes every B in a tune is changed to B flat. When this happens, the music is said to be in the key of F major. The B flat sign is then written at the beginning of every stave in the music. And every time you see the note B, you have to try to remember to play B flat instead. The flats or sharps that appear at the start of each stave are known as the key signature. So in the next exercise, called Remember the Flat, we have a key signature at the start, which is written as a B flat. None of the flat signs are written in the music, but to help you at this stage, we have all of the B's circled. That reminds you that whenever you see a B, you need to play B flat instead. In this exercise, your hands are doing the same thing as each other. So if the left hand plays an F, the right hand also plays an F. Here is exercise Remember the Flat. Next, we have Country Dance, and once again, we don't have any ordinary Bs, we just have B flats. The next tune is Aurelie. Here's a little tip when you're practicing. It's a good idea to first play the left hand only all the way through, and then the right hand only all the way through before you play both hands together. In fact, you may want to play hands separately several times before you try hands together. Also, you may want to start by playing the tune much more slowly than it really goes. Then practice it slowly hands together, and when you're confident, then increase the speed. Luckily, Aurelie, the next tune, is marked andante, which means at a medium speed, at a walking pace. So don't rush this one. Here it is.